I'm here reflecting on some grandma saying, where sweet ya go sour you, where sweet nanny goat a go run him belly, chicken Mary hawk the nearer your behind fi pick you up. When you tell elderly say ya go foreign, God go with you. Some of the bad mind one, then we say God go with you. And some will say, safe flight, safe trip. You remember the days of the waving gallery? When you that go Kingston and your loved one a go away, and you go upon the waving gallery and wave goodbye to them. But some of them, then take the kiss me horse pill and you never hear